Ready with me as I throw out everything in my fridge. Oh my god, starting with expired milk. Power was out for 36 hours.
You have to throw everything out?
It's been 36 hours.
Throw out all of my Kerrygold too?
Yes, the rule is to throw everything out after 4 hours of during a power.
Herbs too?
Herbs? I don't know about herbs.
Thyme and dill?
Herbs should be okay.
We need these to live.
Herbs and fruit, no we don't, but herbs and fruit should be fine. Just get rid of dairy.
All of our chobanis?
Oh my god, that's like $5 each. Look how many we have. What is that? $30 in your hands right
This
now?
might be like 35 bucks.
Oh my god.
What is this?
What is what?
And this.
Oh, that's something important.
Is it?
Yeah, I don't know what it is, but it was like important like when you're sick and stuff. It's like this.
Is this like exotic ranch? you've
Ew,
been
this
keeping
has
back
mold.
there?
This is disgusting. Chickpeas? Oh! This smells so bad. It has to go. I don't know what that is.
The jar is a loss.
No, don't toss the jar.
Tartar sauce
No,
has to go.
tartar has to go.
My Trader Joe's sriracha.
Oh no, sriracha. How will we make anything good?
So add gochujang chili sauce to my shopping
Add
list.
what? What is that?
Gochujang silly
Silly
Chili
sauce.
sauce.
What is that?
I said chili sauce.
Chili sauce.
Really sad thing we're throwing away is
What is it?
the secret ingredient to carbone spicy rigatoni pasta,
Oh.
which is the crushed Calabrian
Oh
peppers.
no. It was like 5 minutes worth of throwing stuff.
All of this.
Oh my god, that's sad. That's like $400.
Yeah. Okay, this is full.
Yeah, I know.
So do you even eat celery?
I do actually.
Because I just keep ordering it and throwing it away.
No. We're only throwing it for the first time ever right now.
Has this gone bad?
Yes.
Are
Dairy.
we sure?
Dairy. Ew.
Well, what do we think, guys?
Texture is sus. It's dripping on my makeup. Get out. Ranch. Hummus. Lettuce. Cream cheese. Sour cream. This is so gross.
Is there anything solid?
Onions gotta go. We just, I don't like onions. Meat. I love the cheese. Mozzarella cheese.
Exotic Parmesan that I shred on the pasta.
Why
Two of them.
Because remember when the lights went out, all of our food went bad. It's looking bare. It's looking bare. It's a great time to actually clean out our fridge too. We should wipe everything down.
You know what?
Yeah.
I actually have a great idea.
What is it?
It's clean now.
I need my sponge. I need my sponge. Oh my god. Like our fridge has not been this clean since we first purchased it actually. Now we can start putting in the trays. We're done.
We did it.
High five. Yay.